There is a trending audio on Prophet Nigel Gacy. Sisi anasem enaba enti nasem ne de bebremo. Now, there's a trending audio on Prophet Nigel Gacy anchor for Ekasa. A lot of people were reacting to it. And apparently, may podcast be ebremo. Me ka say Ghanaians are actually reacting to Nigel Gacy. Na ni din trending number 1 on Twitter. Me sorry you know. Na the enti na ni din trending no audio we eka ho plus some audios be as we are going as the day goes on, no? And we are going forward and get those audios into Ebebremo. Now, in this particular audio, idea in Sofobi Now, I think this is the very first time I mean who say Osofobi on TV. Okay, I think in Sofo especially on radio, Nyama Ghana and Sofo, Omotaya Sadi and the pan. But mostly on Facebook Live and things like other countries in Sofo, I'm say other African countries, Sofo being a last me who say war, yes, South Africa was there. Now way say send ya Ghana for ye ewo radio so no eni ebia wasofo ni preach no preach we po bi be frɛ nipa ko ne frɛ ya na wo ahoma ne so wo line ne so abon se sofo no eyi edi asem tre nipa kro no na is the same thing osofo Nigel Gacy no wo TV so na say wo preach we ya na wo bi frɛ ya na Nigel Gacy eyi nipa ko ne ho asem atre no na say asem wa Nigel Gacy eyi ama nipa ko no first Nigel Gacy ko kan say wo unim enkrani bi ana webusie ni bi ye enkrani bi asebe wo pese woda ne kraman na wo hye wo so ena nipa ko na answer Nigel Gacy say me de me mebusie ni bi enya enkrani o ena Nigel Gacy ka tell say unim enkrani bi o say da bi me de me ya igbeni ena Nigel Gacy ka tell say hwe webusiafo wo bi eye enkrani oba ne so say da bi che say utie ka bo hu ne say wo ba no ase na o pese wo sre. Into this particular audio is what a lot of Ghanaians are speaking on our more say we a fake prophecy and Nigel Gacy what them na enye no pe and enye no nko a. There is another thing I Ghana for edi hu say we dey intro, but before we talk about that particular one you go tie audio no ni etie wi aye ba na my boss so say one thing and Nigel Gacy kan ya people say it gave him up say prophecy here warm on this particular lady no intro no you go tie sa de no embra.
Amen.
I'm fine.
Talk to me.
Please, my name is Veronica.
Veronica, Obi ayen krania or ye kramine.
There's someone a guy who is a dog.
Or person butu so.
He wants to cover you.
Onima the year 1607.
We don't know the year 1607.
Oh, I say for no more to be able to say nungwa teshi nungwa.
Your lily they hail from teshi nungwa.
No kramaya or person tosha so.
I saw a dog who wants to attack you.
Into culture and beside the dear ben krani.
Please, who do you know who is a guy?
Because I'm a business credit.
Okay, beside the so I ofifa.
Please, where do you come from?
If I tell me a
beside the set was so that you kramine. Me kramine.
Have you dreamt of a dog? I see
that ben o sa kramine.
Please, when did you see that dog?
May last 2 years.
Tell me, catcher said, no one pebi I cry, na Sydney be I cranda.
Your descendants have been gone. They've hailed from Ghana.
Me who attack
Papa said you see attack on you.
Because me did for me children 17.
Papa is a prophet, so he's telling you something. He doesn't know you.
Radene me ekasa.
It's God who's speaking through it to you.
Say me no me no na me ho.
I saw two things.
Now what kata wani so who na kata wani. And the who kakra obe and the obe there.
Into a very short audio air trendy Emma Ghana for Elbo Nigel Gacy. Now this particular audio another particular thing that Emma Ghana for air can say no idea way the a fake and they say Nigel Gacy say in 1606 wabano nenkrofo bi na wamoti nungwa teshi hosai 1606 na the Emma Ghana for air can say idea way a entron says 1606 na Ghana still your friend Gold Coast say 1957 was a day independence. It is year 1606 and that say several years ago. Just said 3,000 from Ghana time I better than Gold Coast no from 3,000 years ago. Now dear Nigel Gacy etre and say wabane na nkrofo bi etinungwa. Dear Ghana for eka and say sa 1606 no na sa krona ya friend nungwa na kana nyamba in fact Ghana as a country krano That time na Ghana as a country krana na trese yenyanya yedin Ghana. Na nkampe se inkura ewo Ghana mu no ya beka se ekuro we ye friend say na Ghana ne krana yenyanti Ghana din no. Ghana din ne krana enyamba nkrofo tiri mu ye. Iti you guys are understanding where the argument is coming from. So 1606 na Nigerians ka say wobano na wo hwe na ntria na nkrofo biti wo no de nkrofo pese tre ne say that time na Ghana wo man Ghana kra no it didn't exist. Ena nungwa na wo kan that time no na nungwa kro no ye nyamba ye because some people are even arguing say it was around that time ena enkranfo etufi Nigeria ile ife se wunim usia social studies ewo primary school ye better say enkranfo wo mo sha se fi Israel wo mo ba Israel na ebi mo be free mu na ebi mo call Nigeria na efe bebi ile ife ansa na wo mo fi ile ife ho na eba enkran kuro wa ende ye fra na enkran no enti di ankrofo kan say that time no na enkranfo ne kran no na ase wo mo nyan embe settle down ewo Ghana ha kraye na se wo mo aba be settle down kran na that time no na bia e ya fiansa wo mo aba be settle down so 1606 no. That is what some Ghanaians are saying. And so for Nigeria to say wo ba no around 1606 na ne nkrofo biti nungwa ene ade no ena Ghana focus say we there intro on live TV. I hope you guys are understanding the point. Okay, we there intro on live TV. Apapa say ebia wo bi hya onkom say uko wechi 1606 ebia na wawofo bi no moti Volta region no mu yese embra woni say 1606 na ebia na igbefo ne kra no wo mu moving ba Volta region na still wo mu working agokoli ho e wo Togo say den into obviously also for the case don say we there e intro because 1606 no there was nothing like Volta region. That's how Volta region di ne kra na eni ho. And so the Ghana for can say 1606 no na edin Ghana din ne kra no na eni ho. Nungwa kro ne kra no na eni ho. Na obia eni ho a wote ho. Because the people who today are occupying Nungwa place the eka Nkranfo ho, those Nkranfo ne kra no, they had not even migrated from the bia no mufri embra yes anu. I say we emissary eh Income shepeni. Yeah, and I told you guys this thing. I told the bia won. Oh dear. Yeah, I told the bia send your answerfo bi eye bibi e wo my way mu no. E was say wo omujai. Like you see, in my previous post, me mamoti say bibi say ubon say the osofo no beba abonten aba be kan say faith defies logic. It's an example like this osofo no hu say ne ho atwe ne pe wo beka say faith defies logic na say sebe eba hunhum semu a it make sense. Say na osofo beka because we hu say that be ne ho atwe no. I have told you say a lot of pastors use that particular line obo hwe na ne ho tre no na bia asem a wo ka no wo ye no analysis o de to ho se wo paipe mu ehun no kran na wo hwe na asem a osofo na ka no ento asomu a obo se wo de afa ho se fake defies logic wo se nkrofo so be ja to say and the fake defies logic ampa. This is the thing. And you see, those people who are saying, wait, the Nigerians chantro, Nigerians way. So what person will kasama Nigerians krana? It is not looking well. Because indeed, who say ne pakono nechi ne den krama be in 1606. I mean, seriously. In 1606, not just say ni bibi ebusie ni bi into yeah, can then to 1606 over 4,000 years ago asemu. Now over 4,000 years ago nkom hye o de enfa ne say ne kre na nka nipa ko ne kre de no betumi aya afa ho over 4,000 years ago nkom hye oh asemeni wo eto de bia wo eya na ngrofo ka say insofo say because we are Christians no we feel say that be Nini nano in a way no, it is making people lose their faith in Christianity. If you want to say Osofo no, ebia 1 year ade na, we also need to add our voice to support Osofo no. But people say, I mean, how can we even support you? When in 1606, rightfully so, sa nungwa ne krana na enyamba sa nungwa kroya ye ka nungwa krano ye chese tema na tema ye kro kran sa nungwa beda ni nungwa o. Na bisa hu se tema da be na tema beda ne tema eye mbra Kwame Nkrumah beje independence. So after 1957 hokra na tema krono ebeda ne tema ansana tema beda ne tema no na nungwa. Because first krana nungwa first near the kantema ho sisi a womo nso e wo womo ankasa womo municipality fine na nsenya na twese nungwa de late 90s as 80s 90s no ene ye beti sa akro nungwa na ma twese ye be hu se okay nungwa fo sei ena nungwa be ye nungwa o it is a work as 1606 na wo bia na ne busuanfo bi ti nungwa obviously it has 1606 no people were not even there. People were not even occupying that nungwa place. No one ascending in now. Ascending in now eho enewo. Nungwa krono 19 bibi ene be dani nungwa ene de say di ni krabe ma 1606 say di ni krane ni ho. Na Ghana krane eni edin. Ni enka se ye be makro bi di nungwa ni ho. Oh. Asemo edie yawo. Oh, edie. I want to try to comment box in for me. That's it.